In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Chrysler Town Country key fob. This key fob takes just one CR2032 battery, and you can change it yourself at home. It's actually really easy. All you need is one of these batteries and a flathead screwdriver. You can get these on Amazon. I will put a link down in the description to get them. Get one just for a couple bucks, and then go ahead and follow along. I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver, and looking at where this key ring attaches, you can see there's a seam between the two halves of the key fob. I'm going to push this tool in right where there's this little indentation, and where that seam is, kind of push it into the corner until it goes in, till it goes in, gets stuck, just like that. From here, we're just going to hold the device and twist until you feel a little click. Turning like a key, it begins to separate, and then I like to work my way down the side doing the same motion until the two pieces come apart. Set that to the side. Now I have this rubber component that has a circuit board beneath it. We will carefully lift that, set that to the side, and now we can get out our battery. You could just pull it out with your fingernail, get under it carefully with your tool, just dump it out. Here's the battery, CR2032. Take a brand new one. Make sure the positive side with this text on it goes face down. And you want to push it in first, positioning it where that metal component is. Try to go in the other way. It's not going to go in. Push it into the metal component. Click the other side down, and you can see it goes right in there super easily. Now I'm going to put the rubber back in place. Put this right on top and just click everything back together. Really easy. That's how you do it. If this video helped you out, feel free to give us a like or leave a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries of any of your key fobs for any make or model, watch the rest. Check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel or go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.